What's up, guys? It's your boy Venom. My first unboxing video. You know what I mean? Figured I'd do something real quick. Post it on YouTube. These are the Samsung Gear IconX 2018. Now I know it's 2019, and these is type old, but who gives a damn? I just got them today. You know what I'm saying? So I've been rocking these for a while. These Sony Walkman. You could put songs on, like, actually on the headphones themselves, up to 4 gigs of storage, and you could take it underwater and swim and stuff like that. But these kind of not cutting it these days, and these old as, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to curse, but whatever. These old as hell. So yeah, I've been doing research for like about a week. I was trying to get some truly wireless earbuds and trying to get something that could be good for the gym as well as good for walking around or on the train with good quality, you know, and some good bass or whatever. And it was between these and the Bose Free Sports. And I figured I'd get these because you could actually put songs on here itself. This actually has 5 hours of streaming, so you can stream from your phone and, like, you know, all that good stuff. But it's 7 hours of MP3 with 4 gigs right here. So yeah, in case you don't want to bring your phone around, like when you're running on the treadmill or whatever the case is, you could actually just put songs on these. That's why I actually chose to get these instead of the Bose. I know the Bose got better quality as far as what people said online and YouTube and stuff like that, but I figured I'd just get these so I could kill two birds with one stone. I could use these as Bluetooth, so I could stream if I want, and I could also use them as you know, just putting M3 not movies, what the hell I'm talking about, music on there. So you got fitness tracking and running coaching, voice commands, ergonomic secure fit. I heard these are secure, cord free fitness earbuds. All right, so let's check it out. Got my little knife. I was about to try to open these with my finger, didn't work. All right, slice that open. All right, let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna do both of these. All right, let's take a look. Okay, Samsung. I already got me a Note 8. I'm still old with my joints, but I'm about to get the Note 10 when it comes out, whatever. But yeah, here we go right here. Small and looks kind of nice. These are touch sensitive, so you can go up and down or whatever, left and right. It'll actually do certain things. I'm gonna check that out in a second. Yeah, these look cool, boy. But as opposed to what I had before, fucking big friggin' things flopping around my head. I don't need to worry about that no more. But yeah, this the charging case. Oh shit. Let's see what's going on here. Let me put these in. First, let me just show you closer. I ain't even actually get a chance. It's my first unboxing video. Spare me. All right. Let me see. This is right. It's magnetized, so you don't gotta worry about it falling out. They don't fall out. Okay. Yeah. So I guess these two things light up right here. There they go. The left and the right lights up, and it charges. In the back right here, you got a little light. I don't even know what the hell that is for yet, but this right here is for the pairing to your phone. Let me see what else is in the box while that's charging. You see a little tab right here. Nice little soft feel. You got some books and stuff. Let's see. All right. You got your little dongles or whatever for your USB Type C to whatever the hell that is. And this is the USB. What is this one? Yeah, another USB connector. You got your USB-C cable. Then you got what's these? Some more ear tips right here. I usually do the factory default, whatever comes in the pack. But for these, since I'm trying to get a secure fit, I'm gonna mess around and test all these out. Get your little wings, whatever. So yeah, it's my first unboxing video, so I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just looking at all this right now. So all right, so right here you play and pause. Next track is double tap. Answer end call up and down. Volume up and down. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna take a look at this little quick start guide or whatever. And what else we got over here? Oh yeah, little books in here, whatever. What's this? Quick start guide. I'm gonna check this out in a second. But yeah. So little quick little unboxing, you know what I'm saying? My first one, you know what I'm saying? I'm from Brooklyn, New York, you know. You know how we do. If you don't like the accent, kick rocks, who gives a damn? I ain't trying to curse too much, but cause I heard YouTube could, you know, they're acting funny these days with the cursing. But yeah, there you go, you know what I mean? Yeah. Hopefully I get a little more love, and I'm gonna start putting up more unboxing videos. I got me a DJI Osmo Mobile 2. I'm late as hell again. Who cares? This is the Brooklyn feel right here with the unboxing. You hardly get these around on YouTube, so you know what I'm saying? All these fucking squares. Well, I'm sorry I cursed, but whatever. Yeah, so there you go. You know what I mean? The Samsung Gear IconX 2018s. You know what I mean? We'll see what's up. I'm gonna pair these up, and then I'm gonna tell you exactly how they sound and how they fit after I go to the gym and all that. That'll be the second hard piece of this video. All right, later. All right, guys. So I'm back, and yeah, my impressions. I like them a lot. They are 10 times better than what I've been using, which is the Sony Walkman MP3 players. I mean, as time went on, I think the sound started to fade or whatever. I'm not sure, but you could take these underwater and swim. But nah, they ain't cutting it no more. I'm gonna be using these. They fit very comfortable in my ears. I have a picture right here. And as far as there's no noise canceling, but they fit deep in your ears, so you don't have to worry about like nobody coming up to you moaning and groaning in your ears in the gym and harassing you, trying to look for attention because they are weirdos. As far as the fit and how they look, let me show you exactly. This is how they look for me. Very comfortable, very discreet and delicious. I don't gotta worry about that. The Bose Sound Sport Free, I wanted to get those, but they look big and bulky. And they didn't have onboard storage. Another thing too, the newer versions of the Samsung earbuds, the Galaxy earbuds, they don't have onboard storage, and that was the main important thing that I wanted to have, because I don't want to have to leave my phone by mistake, or you know what I'm saying, stuff like that, or running. Like, you can run with these, have music on it, just put the music, put your favorite tracks on there and just run, or just incline, whatever you do, sit-ups, they're not coming out, your ears. You know what I mean? They have Find My Buds feature. So in the app, in the Galaxy wearable app, if you lose a bud or whatever, they make noise and you can find them again. Yeah, very good. I like them. Now, as far as this light in the back, I was gonna say, like, let me just show you a little quick start, just in case because nobody really goes through these like that, but just you can see. As far as the lights, self-explanatory. Red for charging. You can pause the video and take a look at that. As far as what the colors mean, there you go. So yeah, very nice, very, very nice. I like them. I'm gonna be using them for a while. I'll upgrade eventually to something else, but for right now, I just wanted to get something that's gonna have more music on the earbuds and have the option to stream music. As far as what comes in the box, recap, you get the USB Type-C and micro USB connectors. You can plug this directly into your phone and transfer music. This is the USB Type-C cable. The books, the earbuds, wingtips, stuff like that. You get your quick start guide. And I forgot to mention, there was something in here, in this compartment. I didn't see that, actually. This is a cleaning tool and a brush. So if you take these off, if you take this off, matter of fact, let me take it off and show you. This little thing eventually gets dirty. And you can actually clean it with this brush and remove it with this as well. So it's also another thing to probably stop the sound as it fades over time, or whatever the case is that might happen with these. Yeah, so as far as, oh yeah, you also have you can use these to talk on the phone also, and then the sound comes out of both ears. You know, they also have ambient sound mode, but I'm not going to be using that because when I go to the gym, I don't want to hear nobody moaning and groaning and making horny noises all around the gym trying to impress other men. Because I like women. To each his own, but yes, it's kind of annoying. So yeah, thanks for checking out my video, my unboxing video. It's my my first one. Be gentle, you know what I'm saying? Be gentle. I'm from New York. I'm from Trinidad as well, so you'll hear a blend of both accents. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm all over the place in this video. I don't know what else to say anymore. Oh, as far as yeah, you can also charge them wirelessly on the charging pad. Matter of fact, is it charging? See that green light? Yes, it's charging. So yeah, I forgot to tell you about that. I probably forgot to tell you about something else. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. Cause this is my first video unboxing something, like I said 10 times, and now I'm just rambling. So the Samsung Galaxy, not even Galaxy, Samsung Gear IconX 2018s. An upgrade from the non-2018s, which had less battery life. You're gonna get your bang for your buck, buddy. Go on Amazon, get these. I got them on sale. It's like 150 bucks or less by the time you see this video, because who knows when I upload it. So there you go. And I will be posting more unboxing videos and stuff like that. Random stuff. So check me out. The Venom. And this is like the Lord of the Rings ending. It's like 100 different things making you think it's over, and then it's over. All right, later.